excuse me. Hello, good evening. Hello,
Hello,
Nadia.
teacher.
Hi, good evening, Jessie, and welcome again to our class. So, how are you today?
Good.
I'm good. Wow, perfect. That's very good to
I can
know.
say you one question, okay?
What?
I can tell you one. I can tell you one question.
Okay, can you tell me the question? What question?
You play, you live in Vietnam or you live in Philippines?
Oh, yes, I live in the
In
Philippines. I don't live in Vietnam. Why? Why did you ask?
because I don't know you in you in Vietnam or you in Philippines. I don't know.
Oh, oh, I'm not in Vietnam. That's why I cannot understand, especially when my students are speaking Vietnamese. I cannot understand. So I use translation for me to talk to
But
them.
I
Yes.
not live in Philippines because I don't know say English for Philippines. No, 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 no,
No,
no.
no, 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 no. Yes, because
I
you
don't
live.
know. That's no, I don't know Philippines say.
Oh,
I don't know
we.
people Philippines say.
Oh, you don't. We use the language Filipino. So Tagalog. Tagalog is our language here. So it is quite different than English and also in Vietnam. So the words are very much different. Why did you ask? You're curious, huh? Okay, so wow, thank you for
Because I don't
asking.
know.
Do you have any
Because I don't
questions?
know.
Oh, because you don't know. Do you have
I
any?
just one question.
Oh, only one
I just
question?
one
Mm.
question. One
Oh,
question. One question.
okay, okay, sure. So now, are you ready to start our lesson for today?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, okay. So since you are ready, do you still remember the value that we had learned last time? What is the value that we had learned last time?
Hmm,
It is be.
be nice.
Okay,
Be
very
nice.
good. Very good. It's be nice or being nice. How can you be nice to other people, Jessie?
You share.
Yes, very good. You share your things to other people, like what we have here in the picture. So these two children, are sharing their crayons for them to be able to color on the paper. So next, okay, since you still remember our value, let's have some scenarios here. Let's take a look at this story. Jessie, what are they eating?
They are eat pizza.
Very good. They are eating pizza. Do you like to eat pizza?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes, yes. Oh, very good. Because pizza is very delicious, but it is somehow unhealthy, so we shouldn't eat it regularly. Okay. So if you have a big pizza like this in the picture, would you share it to your friends? If you have a
Yes, I
big.
can.
Okay, very good. So yes, you will share it. So for this one, in this picture, they are
Can
can share. So in this picture, these two children are sharing this pizza to each other. So next, oh, how about this one? What is this? Or what are they doing?
They are read a book.
Okay, very good. They are reading a book. They are reading a big book. And look at them. Do they have their own book or do they share the big book?
Share.
Very
Share a
good.
big book.
They are sharing one big book. So very good. So we must share because it is being nice to other people. So very,
People.
yes, so nice. Okay, so we finished our lesson 3. So now, let no,
Why so fast? Why
why
so
is it
fast?
because it is the continuation of our lesson last time. We are almost close to finishing, but we don't have time. But right now, so we will have another lesson. So we are still in art class. However,
Fast?
art class. We are still in Unit 2 art class. However, we will talk about, in lesson 4, we will talk about colors.
Colors?
Yes, we will talk about colors. So, what is your favorite color is rainbow, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So we will talk about colors in this lesson, especially those rainbow, and also how we mix colors to create a new color. But before that, so let's watch a video here about colors. So let's
What's
check.
the video?
It's about colors. Watch the video. Let me just open the video. Video.
Video, 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 video. Hey, hey.
Let's go to
I don't
art
hear
class. Art class is fun.
Okay, I can.
What's this? This is paint. What color is it?
What color
It's
is it?
yellow.
It's
It's
yellow.
blue.
It's
And
blue.
it's green. What's this? It's a pen. What color is it? It's black. Look! It's a bird. Look at all the colors. Black and white make gray.
Yay.
Blue and yellow make green. Red and yellow make
makes
orange. Red and blue make purple. Many, many colors. What's this? It's a crayon. What color is it? It's blue. What color is this crayon?
Okay, wow. So that is our video about colors. But before we proceed to our next slide,
About
so
colors.
about colors, very good. So before we proceed to our next slide, let's take a look first. Our teacher has questions about the video. So let's take a look at this one. What is this, Jessie?
This is a pink.
Very good. This is paint. What color is it?
It's red, yellow, blue, green.
Okay, so
It's yellow too. So
it's
green.
yellow. Okay, very good. So yellow, blue, green. Okay. And next, what is this?
This is a pen.
Okay, what color is it?
It's black.
It's black.
Black.
Very good. And what are they drawing?
They are charcoal.
Very good. They are drawing a bird. So now let's take a look at the how we mix colors. Okay. So if we mix black and white, what is the color that we can make if we mix black and white?
It's gray.
It's gray. Very good. Good job. So next, how about if we mix black and yellow? Blue and yellow. What is the color that we can create?
It's green.
It's green. Very good. It's green. How about if we mix red and yellow?
This is orange.
Orange. Very good. And for the last one, how about if we mix red and blue?
This is purple.
Purple. Very good. So that is how we mix colors. So have you tried mixing colors before? Have you tried
Yes.
mixing colors? Oh, yes. Did you try it with paint? Paint. Did you try it using paint?
Yes.
Yes, because paint is liquid, so we can mix colors easily. Unlike crayons, you need to mix it well before we can create some colors. So that is how we mix, or that is about our colors. So now let's go back to our lesson material here and let's learn more about colors. So let's listen to the
Green.
next audio.
Purple.
Green. Wow. Okay, let's open the audio.
Page 18. Lesson 4. Colors. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Green,
Green.
2,
purple,
3,
orange,
4,
pink,
5,
gray,
6,
brown,
Okay, so now let's read the colors that we have. We have here
Green.
green,
Purple.
purple. One more time, let's say purple.
Purple.
Why purple? Not purple. Purple. Pur,
Purple.
pur, pur.
Purple.
Okay, okay, nice. We can still practice that one. Next is orange. Very
Gray. Brown.
brown. So very good. So we have these colors. This one. Let's first have, what color is this?
This is green.
Green. Very good. And what is the two colors? What are the two colors that we can use to make green?
Um, is blue
Blue and
and yellow.
very good. So it's blue and yellow. Nice.
Yellow.
So if we mix blue and yellow paint or crayons or pencil, so we can create color green. How about this one? What is our next color?
This is purple.
Purple. Very good. And what are the two colors that we can use to make purple?
Is blue and red.
Blue and red. Very good. Blue and red. So nice. Next. How about this one? What color is this?
This is orange.
Orange. Very good.
Orange.
What are the two
Orange.
colors that we can use to make orange?
Red and yellow.
Very good. Red and yellow. So if we mix
Yellow.
red and yellow together, we can create orange. How about this one? What color is this?
This is pink.
Okay. Do you know the two colors that we can use to create pink?
No.
I know. Okay. So if we combine red and white, we can create pink. Yes, red and white. So if we use a lot of white, and we combine it with red, so we can create pink. Okay, so next our next color is
What is orange? It's
this one.
China.
It's
Yes,
gray.
yes, it's China.
Okay. Wh-
It's
It's what color is this?
gray.
It's gray. What are the two colors that we can use to make gray?
White back.
Wha-
White and
Very good.
white and
It's
black.
white and black. And for our last color, we have the color brown. Very good. What are the two colors that we can use to make brown? Oh, actually, it is not only two. It is three colors. So yes, we use red. Yes, red, yellow, and blue. So if we combine, yes, if we combine these three colors, we can create brown. So red, yellow, and blue. Again, what
Red,
are,
yellow, blue.
very good. So these are the three colors that we can mix to get brown.
The
Okay. Okay. So now let's have our first sentence pattern here. Oh. So we have here, let's first listen.
blue
Uh,
and yellow make green.
Very good. Blue and yellow make green. So first, let's listen to the sound that we have.
Page 18. See, listen, and say. Then practice.
Blue and yellow make green.
1,
Blue and yellow make green.
2,
What?
Blue and red make purple.
Okay, before we proceed to this activity, let's first focus in this sentence pattern. So we have here blue and yellow make green. So we use this sentence pattern for us to describe the two colors that we can combine and what is the color that they can create. For example, we have here blue and yellow.
Yellow.
Yes, so we can make color green if we combine this. So for our sentence pattern, we have blue and yellow make green. Uh,
Green.
okay, so we will use this sentence pattern. How about for pink? How can we make the color pink?
Red and pink make red
Red and
and
pink
white make
make.
pink.
Very good. So yes, that is how we use the sentence pattern. So now, let's move on and do this activity ourselves. Let's move on. So let's go to our first example. So we have here blue and yellow make green. For number 2, let's have number 2. Can you make a sentence using these colors?
This
Can-
is purple, red,
Purple.
blue.
Yes. Can you make a sentence using this sentence pattern? For example, blue and yellow make green. So how can we make this a sentence?
Mm,
Red.
Red and blue make purple.
Very good. Nice. Okay. Next, let's have number 3. This one. Number 3.
Red and orange make or red and yellow
Okay.
make orange.
Okay, very good. Number number 4.
Four. Red and white make pink.
Very good. Red and white make pink.
Pink.
How about for number 5?
Huh? Black and white make brown.
Grow? What is grow? Let's say gray. Gray. Okay, so next. Actually, for brown, we can also use only two colors to make brown. What is the 2 colors that we can use to make brown?
Red and green. Why should you say just 3 color?
Oh,
Why is have
yes.
2?
Yes, because we can make a color green using blue and yellow. So red plus yellow and blue. So we can make also brown. Yes. So if we combine blue and yellow, we can make green. So if we combine green and red, we can make brown. So if you want to explore, you can use the 3 colors. But if you want to um, make it easy for yourself, you can just use red and green. Yes. Okay. So now let's make a sentence. Red. Drink your water first.
Red
Okay.
and green make brown.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Oh no. Okay, so red and green make brown. So teacher said that we use yellow plus blue plus red because how can we make green? We make green from blue and
And
yellow.
yellow.
Yes, so that's why we can also make green using yellow and blue. So yeah, that is how we combine or that is how we use our sentence pattern. So very good. So now, can you read all of the sentence that we have? Can you
Okay.
read? Okay. Number 1.
Blue and yellow make green.
Okay.
Blue and red make purple. Red
Next.
and yellow make orange. Red and white make pink. Black and white make gray. Red and green make brown.
Okay.
Why should red? No, why should red, red, red too? So many red.
So many red because red is a primary color. Red is a primary color. Yes. So we can use red in a lot of colors. Okay, so next. Oh, so can can you try to color? Can you use your pen or no? Can you
I
use a
cannot.
pen? Oh, you cannot
No.
use. Oh no. Let's just make a sentence. Let's go with this one. What color is it?
Is It is a green. It is green.
What can we use to make green?
It's blue and yellow. Makes green.
Very good. For number 2, what color is it?
It is orange. Red and yellow makes orange.
Very good. So it's orange, red, and yellow
Yeah.
make orange. Next, number 3. What color is it?
It is red. It is red.
Red.
Red
Hmm.
and red
What
and
color is this?
I don't think it's so.
Oh, what color is it? You know this one. Starts with letter W.
White.
Yes, it's color white. It looks like invisible, but it's color white. What can we make using the two colors?
Pink.
Okay, what is the sentence? Red.
Red and white make pink.
Very good. Red and white make pink. So next, number 4. What color is it?
Green and red make pop up. Green and red make crown.
Okay, very good. Not purple, it's brown. Okay, next. What color is it?
It is it is red and blue make purple.
Okay, very good. Red and blue make purple. And for our last number, what color is it?
White and black make grays.
Okay, very good. Grays or gray? So it's
Grays.
gray, black and white make gray. So very good. So let's check. Oh, let's check. What color is it?
It's
It's
green.
green. Blue and
Ew.
make
Mm,
blue and
Blue
yellow
and
make.
yellow make green.
Okay, very good. So next, what color is it? It's
It's red.
okay.
Red and green make brown.
Okay, very good. So next, what color is it?
It is red and white make pink.
Very good. So it's pink. Red and white make pink.
Make pink.
Next,
Um,
what color is it?
it's
It's
brown.
it's brown.
Uh,
And red and
green.
make. What is our sentence pattern?
Red and green make brown.
Brown. One more time. Let's say brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Okay, very good. Not ground. It's brown. Okay, so very good. So next.
Number
What
5.
color? What color is it?
It is blue and red make purple.
Very good. Nice. Very good. Okay. So I think it's already the end of our time, Jessie. So we'll just continue
Yes.
this lesson. Yes, we'll continue this lesson next Friday. Yeah, I'll see you again on Friday, okay? So good job
Goodbye.
today. Good job today, Jessie, and goodbye. Thank you so much, and good night, good night.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good night.
Bye bye. Sleep well. Bye bye.